In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short, adds an extra layer of security to your account. Instead of just using your password, you'll also need a special code from your phone whenever you log in. This makes it much harder for anyone else to get into your account, even if they somehow know your password. Let's start from inside the Discord app or the desktop version. First, make sure you're logged into the account you want to protect. Then, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the small gear icon next to your username. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that to open your settings menu. Once you're in user settings, find and select the My Account section. This page shows your username, email, and other basic details. Here, you should see a section related to account security, including an option to enable two-factor authentication. Look for the button that says Enable Two-Factor Auth and click on it. Before you continue, Discord will usually ask you to confirm your account password. This is just to make sure it's really you making changes to security settings. Carefully type in your password and continue. Next, Discord will ask you to set up an authenticator app. Common options include apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, which you can download for free on your phone's app store. Open your chosen authenticator app, and on Discord, you'll see a QR code appear on the screen. In your authenticator app, add a new account and scan that QR code. If you can't scan it, there's usually a code you can type in manually instead. After you scan the QR code, your authenticator app will start generating 6-digit codes for Discord. Back in Discord, you'll be asked to enter one of those codes to confirm the setup. Open your app, find the code for your Discord account, and type it into Discord before it expires. If the code changes, just use the most recent one. Once the code is accepted, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account. Discord will also provide backup codes. These are really important. Save them somewhere safe, like a password manager or a secure file, because you'll need them if you ever lose access to your authenticator app. From now on, when you log into Discord, you'll enter your password first, and then a code from your authenticator app. And that's how you enable two-factor authentication on Discord.